How to watch Netflix USA in another country. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how to watch Netflix USA in another country. So to watch Netflix USA in another country, you need to use a reliable virtual private network or VPN service and connect to a server located to US. So this method changes your virtual location, making Netflix thinking you are browsing from within the United States. So basically, you want to make sure to open up your respective app store and install a reliable and a compatible VPN. You could go with any VPN, but I'd like to go with this as particularly. So you could also go ahead and use another VPN, whichever is, or you could also get the paid subscription of it. And once you're done installing the VPN, you just want to make sure to open that up and toggle the button here to activate the VPN. Once you see the key sign at the top right corner of the screen, this indicates that the VPN has been activated and now you're ready to use Netflix. So launch open Netflix app onto your device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, and you should be able to see the differences, or you should be able to access the content that's available in the US VPN, US Netflix. So likewise, this is not completely a reliable way. You could try this, but in some cases might not work as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.